Gauss theorem statement: the net electric flux through any closed surface is 1 upon epsilon naught time of total charge present inside it. That is, a closed surface charge plus q placed at a surface and electric flux phi E is equal to 1 upon epsilon 0 times in charge. That is, phi E is equal to q upon epsilon naught. Clear? Now, proof. Let a point O charge plus q and a point P placed at surface of a closed body, that is, P is the small point area ds. Clear? So, electric field intensity at point P is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into q naught upon d square, where q naught is a test charge and d distance between O and P. Equation 1. Now, a small area at point P is ds. So, direction of E and direction of area ds. Angle between E and ds is theta. Now, electric flux phi E moving in a point P is d phi E is equal to vector E dot vector ds. ठीक है? So, A dot B is equal to AB cos theta according to scalar product of vector A and vector B. Clear? AB cos theta. So, d phi E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, means यहाँ E ds cos theta, that is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q0 upon d square into ds cos theta. Now, net flux phi E is equal to surface integration or closed integration ds या d phi E. Clear हुआ? Also called surface integration. Means phi E is equal to surface integration E 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q0 upon d square ds cos theta. So, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 1 upon surface integration, yeah, q and q naught, surface integration ds cos theta upon d square, where q naught is equal to test charge, that is unit charge, is equal to 1. So phi e is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q0 surface integration s ds cos theta d square, means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q integration ds cos theta upon d square, where surface integration ds cos theta d square is equal to 4 pi. The value, this is definite integration, ठीक है. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into 4 pi, ये वैल्यू इंटीग्रेशन ds cos थीटा अपॉन d स्क्वायर हमने स्टैंडर्ड इंटीग्रेशन से ली है. इसकी वैल्यू 4 पाई होती है. ये अभी 12th क्लास के कोर्स में नहीं है, इसलिए इसको हमने टेबल से लिया हुआ है. ठीक है. सो 4 पाई से 4 पाई कैंसिल, दैट इज phi e is equal to q upon epsilon naught. This is Gauss theorem.